Right.
Right.
Continue pa rin kami naglalakad sa tabing dagat, sa tabing tubig. Ayan o, ang dami ng pagkain dyan o. Maraming, oh honey look, plenty oyster.
Yeah. There's a rope there too.
Yeah.
I saw something crawling like a fish.
Yeah, it is right there. It's fish. So, ang dami ng pagkain dito. May isda.
Tiny little fish.
Yeah. It's a lots of food here. They got some oyster. They got some fish. So, lots of fish over there. The little one.
Lots of leaves too.
Mm-hmm.
And a bottle there too.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Di ka ba nagsasawa? Sa atin ay mga tampuhan, walang hanggang katapusan. Ayan o, may babae nagra-ride ng ano. Honey, look, she is a girl riding
Jet ski,
yeah, just good. Thank you for watching, guys.